This puppy is all over my FYP, but is it actually as happy as it looks? Okay, let's watch. Wait, look at those jumps. I was expecting a little hop, but this is giving Olympic athlete vibes. But does it ever get tired? Nope, still going strong. And is that a backflip? Okay, I'm impressed. I think this puppy just made my day. If you need a smile, you should check this out. Links in bio if you want to see more.